Hey there, just a quick vid to show you how to make an awesome indoor ventless fireplace. Quick shot of the fuel for the ventless fireplaces. Ethanol blend. Are these cold yet? Yeah, they're cold. 10 or 15 minutes later, the cups are cold. Then if you want, you can customize the unit. Those are two 12 by 24 inch stainless steel sheets. Kind of like hardware cloth, but they're made out of stainless steel. Good for high heat. Another thing you could do, tile. If you wanted to put tile around the edges, just some basic pieces of tile like this. That might look kind of cool, shaped around the bricks in some way. For reference, the basic model is super cheap. Those bricks are 77 cents, so 10 of them is $7.70. And the cups are 12 for $3.12 when I got them on Amazon. So that's like $10.89, and $10.89 plus tax, not bad. By the way, don't forget, you got to let these cool. Every time you go through a cycle and they go out, you got to wait like 10 or 15 minutes or however long it takes for these things to cool down before you can add the fuel. Otherwise, you got that chance of a flash fire. You never want to add that kind of fuel to a cup that's even warm, never mind hot. So the best thing to do if you want to keep a consistent flame with this whole unit is just pull the hot ones out of here, grab 4 cold ones, add fuel to those, and then once those burn through in like 30 or 45 minutes, then these will be cool and you can just kind of rotate them around.